Few guidelines on wiring up our output devices, the relays as well as those that'll be variable speed in our Ventra Pro control. We had mentioned earlier the need to have a planned out document as to where everything would go with the relay channels. It's the same way in this case. My very first channels are a ceiling inlet. So I've started wiring this wire. The way I did this was the L1 from the electrical panel going into the first terminal. The card to the side of the hinge is the one that will start with our channels 1 through 8. The next card that I don't have, just got it out of the way, but it would go here would be 9 through 16 and 17 to 24 and so on. So the first terminal we think of as an in for our AC, whether single phase 230 volt or 115. I did a jumper down to channel 2 for the in because off the same breaker we'd have that power coming, and now I'm just going to add the close line on here with an appropriate strip of a little over 1/4 inch. You want to have between 1/4 and 3/8 probably, so that, and then just make sure you don't screw down onto the actual insulation on the wire. So it has to be on the conductor, not just the wire jacket, and then make sure each of these are good and tight. And that would be for an open close type device. You may have a single breaker line for a fan, and you just use the L1, and the L1 that's switched going out to the fan would be the second terminal that we would use. So that's how those devices get done. And the same thing is true on variable speed. The first one needs to be the power coming in, the second one going out to the fan. All right.